On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to descale your Keurig coffee maker. On my machine, I was getting this flashing light that says descale. So let's go ahead and put this into descaling mode. First thing we do is we have to empty our reservoir. And you can buy a descaling chemical from Keurig, or white distilled vinegar works just as well. So what we're going to do here is we're going to fill our reservoir halfway, half water and half vinegar, a 50-50 dilution. So let's go ahead and add cold water to it. Fill it up and reinstall it in the back of your machine again. Let's make sure we don't have any coffee pods in there. And pick out your favorite mug, 12-ounce mug. Let's go ahead and power down our machine. And here our 8-ounce button and our 12-ounce button. We're going to hold it down for 3 seconds until our descale light comes on. And then we hit our brew button to start our descaling process. The reason why our descale light went on is because the machine has detected some mineral buildup. So it's recommended to do this about every 3 months. So as soon as it fills up, we go ahead and repeat the process. So you have to do this like 3 times until our add water light comes on. As soon as that happens, we go ahead and empty out our reservoir and rinse our reservoir out like 2 or 3 times. And then we just add fresh water to it. And let's go ahead and finish rinsing the coffee maker. So we're just going to go ahead, it's still in descale mode. So we'll go ahead and repeat the process. Hit the brew button. So we're looking for our add water light to come on. There it is there. There's that add water light. So we're complete. And there it is there. So let's go ahead and fill it up with water. And let's brew a fresh cup of coffee. Pick out your favorite coffee. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.